In today's video, I'll show you how to create a local account on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and open up Control Panel. Search for Control Panel and then just open it up. Just expand this section. Make sure View by is set to large icons. And after that, you'll find something called User Accounts over here. Just click on it. And after you do just that, what you're gonna do is find an option here called Manage Another Account. Just click on that. Here, you'll find the list of accounts that you have. Currently, I have only one account. To add another account, I have to click on this. Add a new user in the PC settings. After that, this settings window will pop up where I can add other users. So just click on Add Account. Just give it some time, and then they'll ask me for a Microsoft email. Just type here, I don't have this person's sign in information. And after that, it's going to ask me just for any email to sign in with. But as we want to create a local account, we are not going to give any email. We're going to create, add a user without a Microsoft account and click on it. Then it's going to ask for who's going to use this PC. Just input the name of the user over here. If you want a password, just input it over here and make the account secured. Then just click on Next. Then as you can see, a local account has been inserted over here. You can re-log in and sign in with this account if you want. And basically that is it. And that is how to create a local account on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.